8 yoga poses for a more vibrant sex life. Want to naturally spice up your and your partner's sex life? You must be satisfied, but honestly, who settles for simple satisfaction? Why shouldn't you look for ways to build on that hits the spot factor? Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to hit those complicated and frankly intimidating Kama Sutra-like poses. It's surprisingly simple. As yoga is already responsible for stress reduction, it is by itself an important factor in increased and more pleasurable sexual activity. Increased stress levels can be cause for disinterest in sex. Therefore, yoga is a natural problem solver. So here is our list of 8 yoga poses that will help you and your partner hit all the right spots. Number 1. Coming in at number 1, the bridge pose strengthens your pelvic floor and can decrease pain during sex, making the good stuff feel better. This pose is great for a newbie and can work wonders in making the whole session more pleasurable. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back, bend both knees and position your feet hip width apart. Put your arms flat on the floor with your palms on the ground. Lift your pelvic region off the ground, allowing your torso to follow, but keep the rest of your body on the floor. Hold the pose for 5 seconds. Release. Number 2. Hitting the spot at number 2, Bhujangasana or the snake pose helps with having therapeutic effects on certain organs and allegedly helps with the positioning of your pelvic region. Here's how you do it. Place your palms under the shoulders. Lift your hips off the ground while pushing down with your palms. Stretch your legs and let the backs of your feet rest on the ground. Fully arc your back until the arms are straight. Direct your gaze straight upwards and hold for 5 seconds. Release. Number 3. A slightly tricky one. The Matsyendrasana or Lord of the Fishes pose is a bit harder to execute than the rest, but has a marked increase in improving flexibility by a lot. Here's how you do it. Place one foot flat on the floor outside the opposite leg. Twist your torso toward the top leg. Bend the bottom leg with your foot outside the opposite hip. You can also extend the toes vertically. The arms help leverage the torso into the twist, and you may bind them by clutching either feet or opposite hands. Hold for 5 seconds and release. Number 4. Another great pose is the Naukasana or the boat pose. This helps in strengthening your pelvis and is great for building your stamina, something everyone could use in sex. Here's how you do it. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor with heels away from the hips. Lightly grip your knees with your hands. Sit upright and lean back slightly. Keeping your torso lifted, squeeze your hip and abdominal muscles towards each other to engage the core. Let go of the knees and reach arms forward and up, palms up. Slowly lift your feet off the floor and straighten your legs. Pull your chest towards the ceiling. Hold the posture. Inhale and slowly exhale. Hold for 30 seconds and release. Number 5. The downward dog is quite a classic and is well known to have a moderate increase in improving flexibility and also decreases tension in your back. Doing it in itself makes you feel sexy and strong. Here's how you do it. Strengthen your legs by lifting your hips up to the ceiling. Keeping your arms straight, lay your hands flat on the mat. Your butt should be pointed towards the ceiling, making your body look like an inverted V sign. It's fine if your heels do not reach the floor. Hold the position for as long as you can. Release. Number 6. An interesting, rather macabre addition to the list. Savasana or the corpse pose doesn't exactly feel like the pose that'll get your testosterone skyrocketing. Though it is rather chilled out, it helps in relaxing your body and getting rid of all that extra stress and tension by being lost in a sense of calm, compounded by complete comfort. This will help you be more proactive in bed with extra stamina, not lost on stress. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back. Spread your legs as wide as the yoga mat. Keep your arms in a relaxed position to your sides and close your eyes. The entire exercise focuses on making sure your body is in a completely relaxed position. This position has to be maintained for around 5 to 10 minutes but can also be done for 15 to 20 minutes. Number 7. Coming up, we have Uttarasana or the camel pose. This sort of unhinges your body, opening up your pelvic region and spine, decluttering your entire system, which will help greatly in stamina and endurance. Your energy to perform in bed will be greatly enhanced. Here's how you do it. Stand on your knees. Using your hands, grip your heels with your hands, pushing your hips forward. Arching your back, drop your head backwards. Breathe normally and hold the posture for 10 to 30 seconds. Release. Number 8. Finally, we have the Baddha Konasana. This mostly helps with your inner thighs and also increases your endurance. Here's how you do it. Sit and keep your back straight. Bring your feet together. Gently press your knees with your palms. Bring your knees to the floor. Hold and release. So, there you have it. Our list of yoga positions that can help you take your sex life to the next level, resulting in a mutual feel-good vibe with you and your partner. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.